Right. Hi, everyone. Here's the plan. Oh, yeah, back walking out of the back building again. Either way, here's the plan. As I was fucking saying, I got, a few pedals. Soon to be a total of 5. And I need to build a board. Because there's no way in fuck I'm gonna be running around with, 5 or 6 pedals on the ground. So, we're building a pedal board. It's gonna be fucking fun. And where's the power drill saw thing? Okay, there's a saw. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna build a board, and fit on the pedals. Actually, I just got the power supply in today, which is some really fucking bright LED lights. I'll put it here. And show you guys in a bit. It's really bright, so this is gonna be a fucking venture. I'll get the wood and then we'll measure some shit. And here's our nasty ass piece of wood. Which, I'm gonna be honest, this is not the first time this fucking piece of wood has been used for something. Right, where the fuck do I begin? If you couldn't tell, it's been chopped up before. It's kinda gross, so I need to fucking measure. Let's do it 10 inches. 12 inches by 14 inches. That's gonna be the fucking. If I can even fit that on. Ifs and more ifs. That is the fucking name of this goddamn game. Ifs and more fucking ifs. Right, from here we've got 3 feet. So we got 36 inches here and here. Now, if I'm gonna say this part down, we've got 16 inches. So we've got 1 foot and 4 inches. So we could very easily do 12 by 14. Alright, fuck it. Where's that other saw? Alright. And if the electric one wasn't enough, I have a handsaw as a backup. A really fucking old, dull, rusty ass handsaw. Alright, and I got a yellow Sharpie so we can actually measure this bull dick out. So let me measure out. I shall measure out 14 inches. 14 is right on that crack. That's fucking beautiful. That is a beautifus. We're gonna go down to 1 foot. Right there. So that's our square chunk. It's gonna be this big fucking thing. You guys can't see that to save your fucking lives, I don't think. So I'll just mark it. Fuck off. Jesus Christ. Like that. This is gonna need a lot of sanding. I know that for a fact. I wonder if I can just cut straight through this fucking thing. I mean, I doubt it. Yeah, no. That is not happening. That is a cringy sound that I really don't want to have any fucking part with. That sounds like shit! Alright, so let's take the amps off the table and use the table. You know. Power tools are fucking smart, kids. Remember that. Alright, so it's gonna be yellow line, tail line. That won't be that tough. I need to put something heavy on that end. That would be useful. I could even put the fucking trainer on top of that if I wanted to. Hold this. I don't have any clamps and I'm doing this very ghetto, so sorry if you don't like my ghetto-ness. And I'll just put the trainer on top of it to add another like 20 pounds. Most of that weight's from the fucking reverb tank anyway. God, that's an old ass fucking cab. That's an old speaker. Alright, let's get cutting. That's gotta be off. Everything should be fine, my friends. Everything should be fine. So that yellow line is gonna go there. Move back, Mr. Ashdown, please. Thanks for training. There's our line. That's what I gotta cut to. Well, I hit the line. That's a good thing. Still recording? Yes, we are. Alright, that's good. Alright, so that's that cut. Now I've got to move this a little bit. Don't know why I'm doing accents. Oh, so. Right. Now this side will be easier to hold on to. God damn it. Yep, reverb tank still kicking, that means we're good. Now let's continue cutting this beach out. Hopefully I can cut with a straight fucking line. She's probably thinking, what the fuck is going on? And there's the piece of wood we need. Back to zip plus. 9.5 minutes and I already got the wood cut. Now time for the long part, aka the gratuitous amounts of sanding.